Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some object. We gonna make it today, so let me show you the object. Alright, this one we call Lathe Spindle. So let's just follow me guys. I wanna make it this one on function efficiency. Okay, let's make it. Okay guys, let's make it. Create a file, new, and choose a hybrid design. Okay, like that. Create a sketch, press L, and choose the display. Okay, and make it a center circle. Make it 100 for the diameters. Finish sketch and extrude. To the break about 10. Okay, let's go to the break. Press L, make it a circle again, make it a 50 diameters, and extrude about 25, and press or click this face and press L on the keyboard, make it a circle again, make it about 35, finish sketch and extrude. The last circle, make it about 150. Okay, like that. So, and click again, this right here, press L, make it the circle about 30, and extrude about 50, like that, and circle again right here, make it about 25, and extrude the last one about, yeah, this 20. Okay guys, just make it this marry to the components. Okay, click this one, right click and click. Okay, unround like that, and let's just make it a circle right here, make it 60, and enter. Finish sketch, extrude -5 and enter, and circle right here, make it about 50. Okay, and extrude just like that, and enter. Okay, so let's take a look at the picture. Okay. Okay, so let's just fillet this one, this edge, this, and this. Okay, just make it the fillet just one. Okay, for the fillet. Okay, easy. So let's make it with modify. Oh, sorry. Create. You choose the thread and use the thread right here. Okay, click this face and just turn on the modulate and just okay, enter. Okay, like that. Take a look at the pictures. Okay, let's just make it the hole on the center. Just make it 30 maybe. Yeah, 30. And extrude. Yeah, but the same is enough. Like that. Okay, let's make it this one, guys. This circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 holes. Okay, let's go click this face and press L, and I'm gonna make it like this, guys. Make it line, and okay, sorry, I hit it. Make it line from here to here. Okay, and find the center. Okay, that's it. Make it a 10 maybe. It's stupid or not. I think it's enough. 10 for the diameters. And I trim. That's it. And then let's go to create a pattern. Click the circle. Okay. And the center point is this one. And make it about make it 14. Okay. The pattern. The quantity. Okay, and okay. And just choose hold on. So you have to choose this one, this one, this one maybe, and this one, or just like on the picture. Okay, so I choose this one. Hold on. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, and let's make it to the picture. And also and this one. Okay, let's this one and this one. Okay, yeah. Maybe I shoot it first. Okay. Okay. This one and this one first. I should make it just one or two. Okay, two, and use cut. Okay, for the operation. Okay, like that. And then let's go turn on the sketch. The sketch. Okay. And then make it a horizon. Already. One, two. Right here. Oh no. Yeah, this one. That's true. -2. Like that. And then 1, 2. Okay. Yeah. That's true. -2. The last one is 1, 2, 3. Yeah. This one. That's true. Okay, like that. Okay. We are going to finish this object. Simple and easy this. Okay, if you want to give us some fillet here, you can fillet this one or this one. Okay, like that. Okay, so the last one I want to modify and change the material. Okay. Use metals. Okay, the materials maybe it's gonna be this is a platinum. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, check the pictures. Sorry. Okay. Okay guys, we finish. Oh, I forgot this one. Okay, we have to make a slot. So let's use a talent blank. Okay, click this face and okay, and press L and make it the slots. Okay, use a slot center the center slot. Okay, okay, I use this one. Like that. Oh, I think it's two. Center. Okay, like that. Make it a 5. Okay, enter. And finish it. Extrude. Okay, like that. Okay. And the last one is right here. Okay. Okay. Make it yes. Oh. 2. Okay. And 2 to the left, to the right. 3. 3 and use 3-point arc. Like that and 3 steps. And let's do extrude. Like that. Okay guys. We finish the object. Okay, very simple and easy, okay? Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you later on the next video, okay?